Hello friends, welcome to another new video of activities. In today's activity, we will learn the 7 components of food and where they are found and their function. So let's make a creative table on it. So first, we will make 7 markings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We only need 6 markings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 boxes. So first at top we will take a small line, and here we will write the first components of food, then food items where they are found and the function they do. So first we will make lines as per it. Just keep the paper vertically and you can make line. So our lines are done. So now we will start. First we will write the component, or you can also write nutrients. If I am writing components, and after it we will make a line and a straight line. Now we will take the other part, and here we will write food items. Food items were found. Food items found in which, or we can write food items in which, and we will make a line, and at last we will write functions. So let's start. First we will take minerals. Actually there is an order, that is fats, then proteins, then vitamins, then minerals, and carbohydrates, but you can do in any order. First I am taking minerals. Minerals are a component of food and a nutrient type of, and in which they are found in milk, curd, cheese, dairy items. So we will write dairy items. And then we will write dairy items, and then whole grains and beans. and beans. Now the function of minerals. The function of minerals is they make the blood, bones and teeth strong. So we will write they make blood, teeth and bones strong. They make blood, teeth and bones strong. Now we will go to our next component, and the next component we will take is fats. Fats are also important, but we should take them in less quantity. Food pyramid also shows that we have to take fats in less quantity, but we have to take. They are a type of nutrient or the essential component. Then we get fats from nuts, butter, oil and ghee. So here we will write nuts, butter, oil and ghee. Now what is its work? Its work is to give us energy to do work and keep our body warm. So we will write they give us energy. They give us energy. Give us energy and keeps our body warm. Keeps our body warm. Now we will take the another component. So our another component we will take is roughage. Roughage is also important for our body to remove waste materials. So we will write here roughage. Roughage. Roughage are found in fruits and vegetables which we eat with its peel, and oats, cereal, pulses, barley and whole grains. So here we will write fruits and vegetables with peel. Fruits and vegetables with peel, and then we will write oats and barley. And its function, so roughage function is they remove waste material from our body in form of stools. So we will write here its function. They remove waste materials from our body, in form of stool. Now Now we will take our another component, and our next component is vitamins. Vitamins are mostly found in vegetables and fruits. So we will write vitamins. Food items in which they are found in green vegetables, fruits and sprouts. Green vegetables, fruits and sprouts. Now its function. So what is the function of vitamins? The function of vitamin is they fight against diseases and prevents us from infections and prevents diseases. So we will write they fight diseases. They fight diseases. Now we will take our another component. Our next component is water. Yes, water is also a very much essential component for our body because its function I will told you, and it is very important. Water, and we don't get water only from the water we drink, but we get this from fruits, vegetables and milk, which are juicy. Fruits, also from milk we get water. Fruits, vegetables, and milk. So what is the work of water? Water help us to maintain to regulate the body temperature and maintain other body functions, and also helps in removal of waste. So let's write it regulates body temperature and maintain other body functions. And maintain other body functions. In other body functions. Now we will take our next two. The remaining ones are carbohydrates and proteins. The carbohydrates is the most important, or it is very much important, we can say. First we will take carbohydrates. Now they are carbohydrates we found in rice, wheat and fruit juices, and also potatoes and cereals. Here we will write rice, wheat and fruit juices. And its function is give us energy, but they give us much energy than fats. They gives us energy. So now we will take the proteins. Proteins are also important, and they are all very much important from the growth of children. So we get protein from pulses, cheese, beans, and other some food items. Pulses, we will write pulses, cheese, pulses, cheese, and beans. Now we will write its function. They help us to grow and repair damaged cells. They helps us to grow and repair damaged cells. Repair damaged body cells. So, a creative poster on the healthy food or the food diet is done. And if you liked it, please like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my other channel, My Creative Buzz, the Fact Ship and Fun Learning with Daksh. Thank you. Bye.